exponential functions are functions which are represented by a to the power x. That is, y is equal to a to the power x. Here, the base is a constant and the power is variable. So, you can have a function something like 2 to the power x, you may have a function like 3 to the power x, but the most popular exponential function is e to the power x. E to the power x. So, these functions are used in calculating so many things. In fact, first of all, the important aspect is like you want to calculate the future value of your money or something, then this exponential function is important. First thing is what will be the graph of this function, exponential function. And let me take as an example e to the power x. Now, the graph will be something like this. So, it's going exponentially, right? Exponentially. And this value will be equal to 0, 1. As a matter of fact, this point 0, 1 will always be satisfying, whether it's a 2 to the power x, 3 to the power x, e to the power x, or for that matter, any constant to the power x. Now, what will be the various algebraic calculation as far as exponential functions are concerned? So, let's take one by one all those properties. First is, if you have 2 to the power, let's say n into 2 to the power p, then what will be your answer? So, it will be equal to 2 to the power n plus p. That's first. Now, second, if you divide two exponential functions, that is 2 to the power, let's say n1 divided by 2 to the power n2, then the answer will be 2 to the power n1 minus n2. Similarly, what will be 2 to the power, let's say 0, and for that matter any number to the power 0, that's always equal to 1. Now, what will be the negative exponent if you have 2 to the power, let's say negative 3, then it will be equivalent to 1 over 2 to the power 3. So, if in the denominator you have a exponential, that is 2 to the power negative 2, or for that matter any number, this is just I am taking one example. So, in the denominator, if you have some number to the power negative, then it will go in the numerator, and then if you have a number in the numerator with a negative power, it will become a positive in the denominator. So, that's how these exponential functions or are defined. First of all, important thing is graph, and then some of the properties of these functions, especially the product rule and the quotient.